14 facts. Girl gestures if a girl is in love with a boy. 1. Smiling lightly. The girl will smile lightly on seeing the boy. She will match the eyes of the same boy in many people whom she loves. 2. Repeated viewing. If the girl is doing any work, she will look back at the boy again and again. 3. Lightly blushing. Wherever the boy is sitting, the girl will walk closer to him and stop a little far away from the boy and look at the boy lightly, and after meeting the boy's eyes, the girl will smile lightly and blush and leave immediately. 4. Showing attitude. The girl will show her personal attitude to the boy which is personal to that girl. 5. Sajna Savarna. Throwing tantrums. Changes will come in the form of the girl. She will start looking more beautiful than before, will try to look better than before. 6. Do anything to get the boy. When a girl truly loves a boy, she can go to any extent to get that boy. 7. Wearing new model clothes. If a girl has fallen in love with a boy, then she will start wearing new models and small clothes to get that boy. 8. Trying to talk. The girl will try to talk but she will not be able to talk. She would like the boy to try to talk to her. 9. Girl getting angry. When the boy will not talk to the girl, then the girl will get angry and will sit in front of the boy with angry and upset face. When the boy will make any comment on her or tease her, then she will be happy. 10. Don't feel good when the boy leaves. When a boy goes somewhere for a few days and suddenly sees the girl after a long time, then either the girl will fall ill or the girl will definitely be found in some trouble or the other. 11. Copying the boy. The girl will start imitating the boy. Whatever the boy does or whatever the boy likes, the girl will start taking interest in the same thing. 12. Being extremely happy. The girl will start being happier than before. She will always be laughing and playing. 13. Excessive interest in small baby. If the girl has fallen in love with a boy, then she will become very interested in small children. She will show that boy, feed a small baby in her lap and kiss him. 14. Nervousness of the girl. Even if she tries to talk to the boy she loves, she will get nervous and will not be able to talk. 15. Do not mind the words of the boy. The girl who loves the boy, she will not mind his words at all. Even if the boy talks bad, then she will start liking his words.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious.